Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video हम बात करने वाले हैं about live wallpapers. Live wallpapers आपके डेस्कटॉप को एक बहुत अच्छा लुक दे सकते हैं। अगर आपको डेस्कटॉप पर्सनलाइजेशन पसंद है तो live wallpapers ज़रूर यूज़ करिए। Live wallpapers एक काइंड ऑफ वीडियो होते हैं जो आपके डेस्कटॉप पे चलते हैं। So let's start. Firstly हम लोग Microsoft Store ओपन करेंगे just like that and हम एक ऐप डाउनलोड करेंगे इधर से सर्च फॉर लाइव वॉलपेपर्स just easy, it is very easy to do so, and this app will be using. Click on install or get whatever you have it there. It will install in some time, not a very big app. It is downloading. Till then we can have a look at the screenshots. It is a very easy to use the app. Wait a little bit, it will get installed. It's done. Launch it. You can launch it from here. I will launch it from there. I prefer this. See, this is the app we are going to use for our live wallpapers. Close it. Now browse folder. Select the folder your video files present there. I will choose downloads. I have already 2 videos present in that folder. See, these are 2 videos. Let me show you. These are downloads. See, 2 WMV files. Remember, this app only works with WMV files. You can use other files if you have Pro version, of course. You can change a MP4 file to a WMV just by renaming it very easily. Okay, so let's choose this one, and it's done. It's working perfectly. So if you haven't liked and subscribed our channel, do it right now. So I'm showing you with icons and without icons. Now let's apply a second one. See, it is also working perfectly. See, with the icons also, it is looking great. Black, nicely. Now we can also even pause this. Yes, pause, just like that. It's paused. You can play it again from there, and let's pause it for a minute. Open launcher. See, there are only 2 files here. We should use less size of file, means that not very large files, video files, otherwise it will get stuck in the playback. This is a website you can use for stock footage and videos. Most of the videos are here free and free to use. You can download it very easily. We download. We are not going to sign up right now. You can do sign up. 5 seconds. Done. Give a pop-up. Save. See, it is giving me MOV file. I will change it to .wmv very easily. Just rename it .wmv. Okay, it's done. बस हो गया. अभी हम इस फाइल को नहीं डाउनलोड कर रहे बिकॉज वी डोंट नीड इट. मैं एक और फाइल आपको दिखा देता हूँ ऐसे ही खोल के. मैं इस वेबसाइट के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. चेकआउट कर सकते हो। हम ये वाली वीडियो यूज़ करते हैं कि आप इस वीडियो को चला के देख भी सकते हो on the website only, and you can choose which video you have to download. Link will be in description. Do check it out. So अब हम वापस कैसे यूज करें, मतलब now let's restore the changes. So we click exit, and now it has turned our desktop into a black color or default. So let's choose a static wallpaper. I'll be using this image. So that's the desktop background. And we are back again. So this was it for the video. Thank you for watching.